Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Magnet Beep. So let's see how it's done. We will be needing a magnet to run this project. First, we will connect the power to the reed switch, then reed switch to the positive of the buzzer, then negative of the buzzer to the ground. Now, this is the magnet that I'll be using. When I will bring this magnet near the reed switch, the buzzer is supposed to beep. Let's see. Notice how the reed switch detects the magnet and the buzzer starts beeping. And this is how it works.